Welcome. Today, Rob talks about each day in August and the corresponding national food item. Honestly, I didn't know that each day had a represented food item. These are the official ones. There have been some companies that seem to have created their own. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, let's dive into the national food days in August. August 1st, National Raspberry Cream Pie Day. Start your month with a slice of sweet and tart raspberry cream pie. Perfect for summer picnics. August 2nd, National Ice Cream Sandwich Day. Cool off with this classic treat, ice cream tucked between two cookies. August 3rd, National Watermelon Day. Juicy, refreshing, and a summer staple. Slice it up and enjoy. August 4th, National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. Fresh out of the oven, melty chocolate chips. Need I say more? August 5th, National Oyster Day. Whether you like them raw, fried, or in a stew, oysters are the star today. August 6th, National Root Beer Float Day. Root beer and vanilla ice cream, a classic fizzy delight. August 7th, National Raspberries and Cream Day. Fresh raspberries and whipped cream, a match made in heaven. August 8th, National Frozen Custard Day. Creamier than ice cream and just as delightful. Give it a try. August 9th, National Rice Pudding Day. Comforting and creamy with a hint of cinnamon. Perfect for dessert. August 10th, National S'mores Day. Graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. Toast them up. August 11th, National Raspberry Bombe Day. This frozen dessert is a showstopper, perfect for impressing guests. August 12th, National Julienne Fries Day. Thin, crispy, and oh so good. Dip them in your favorite sauce. August 13th, National Filet Mignon Day. Treat yourself to a luxurious steak dinner. You deserve it. August 14th, National Creamsicle Day. Orange and creamy, it's a nostalgic treat, perfect for a summer day. August 15th, National Lemon Meringue Pie Day. Tangy lemon and fluffy meringue, a delightful combination. August 16th, National Rum Day. Mix up a cocktail or bake with it. Celebrate responsibly. August 17th, National Vanilla Custard Day. Smooth, creamy, and comforting. Enjoy it chilled. August 18th, National Ice Cream Pie Day. Ice cream in pie form, it's a win-win. August 19th, National Soft Ice Cream Day. Grab a cone and enjoy the soft, creamy goodness. August 20th, National Bacon Lovers Day. Crisp, smoky bacon. Add it to anything and everything. August 21st, National Spumoni Day. Italian ice cream with layers of different flavors. A delightful treat. August 22nd, National Eat a Peach Day. Juicy and sweet, peaches are in season. Enjoy one fresh or in a dessert. August 23rd, National Cuban Sandwich Day. Ham, roast pork, cheese, pickles, and mustard. Press it to perfection. August 24th, National Waffle Day. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Top them with your favorites. August 25th, National Banana Split Day. Ice cream, bananas, whipped cream, and cherries. Indulge in this classic dessert. August 26th, National Cherry Popsicle Day. Cool off with a cherry-flavored frozen treat. Perfect for a hot day. August 27th, National Pots de Crème Day. Rich, creamy, and utterly delicious. A French classic. August 28th, National Cherry Turnover Day. Flaky pastry filled with sweet cherries. Great for breakfast or dessert. August 29th, National Chop Suey Day. A tasty stir-fry with all your favorite veggies and meats. Quick and delicious. August 30th, National Toasted Marshmallow Day. Perfect for campfires. Toast them to golden perfection. August 31st, National Trail Mix Day. Nutty, sweet, and salty. Great for a healthy snack on the go. That's it for August. Which national food day are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to help us grow. Thank you.